سلااو ڕێز و خۆشەویستی ماوەڕانی خۆشەویستم ئەوڕۆ ڤیدیۆیەکی سەرنجا چێژ دەکەم ئەوڕۆ دەستنیێنە OmeTV بزانین چەند کەس پلەیستەیشن 5 هەیە لە هەموو جیهان بزانین لە دنیای نرخی پلەیستەیشن 5 چەندە لەگەڵم بن بزانین خەڵک کاردانەوە چی دەبی کاتێک کە پلەیستەیشن 5 دەبینی و بزانین لە هەموو دنیای نرخی چەندە
PS4
PS5 PlayStation 5
واسه دیارمتن.
Do you game?
Do you speak
I'm speaking English.
Swedish?
Swedish? No, I cannot.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Как видео? Hi!
Hey!
Give me! Give me!
Let's go! Come on, take it!
The gameta.
Oh. Hey!
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Fine, thank you. You're from Sweden?
Yes.
Do you see a PlayStation 5?
Yes.
Are you a gamer?
Yes.
Which game do you play?
FIFA.
FIFA, okay. Forza.
Yeah.
Are you fan of PlayStation or Xbox?
PlayStation.
PlayStation. Did you saw a PlayStation 5, actual PlayStation 5 in your real life?
No, I don't have.
Don't. So that's the box. How it's look. Let me ask you something. In your country, you're from Sweden, right?
Yes.
So how much PS5 in Sweden?
What?
Do you know how much PS5 in Sweden? How much did it cost?
5,000.
So how much is that for dollar?
$1 is 10 crowns.
I'm so bad at mathematics.
$1
$1. Jak dolar? Okay, $1.
is 10
10.
Swedish crowns.
Okay, $1 is 10 Swedish crown.
Kronor.
Okay, true. Your currency. Okay, your currency is $1 is 10 of your currency. So it is $1,500.
$500.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Hey,
Ich hab die auch.
hey, how are you guys?
Hi. Fine. Good.
Good. Okay. So you guys are from Sweden, right?
We're from Germany.
Germany?
Hmm?
Okay. So are you guys a gamer? Do you game?
Yeah.
Which game do you game?
FIFA and GTA.
GTA.
Yes.
Do you ever saw a PlayStation 5?
Yes, I have one.
You have one?
Yes, wait.
Oh. You know, I'm recording a video for my YouTube channel. I interviewed a lot of people on OmeTV. You're the first one that actually have it.
Yes?
Yeah.
Nice.
People say it's too expensive. They cannot buy.
Nah, I got it to Christmas.
Christmas.
Yes, Christmas.
Christmas gift.
Yes.
Okay. That's good. So let me ask you something. How much it cost PlayStation 5 in Germany?
€500.
€500. That's $600, I think.
Yes, I think.
Yeah. Okay. So what's your name?
Annika.
Anika.
Yeah.
Okay. What does that mean, Anika?
It's my name.
I know, and it's your name. Does it have a meaning?
I don't know what this means. Maybe. I don't know.
I'm from Kurdistan. My name is Izjir from Kurdistan. I'm a YouTuber. You ever saw a Kurdish?
Yes. In Germany, there are a lot of Kurdish
There's a lot of Kurdish. Okay. So, Anika, thanks for chatting with me. Bye-bye. Hey. Can you speak English? No? Do you ever saw a PlayStation 5? Do you have it? Oh, that's good. You're a gamer. Okay. So I do not have that guitar, but you have my PlayStation 5. So you're better than me. Okay, bye-bye. Hey,
Hey.
how are you?
Good. And
You're
you?
good. Yeah, I'm
Yes.
fine too. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm gonna ask you some questions if you don't mind.
Okay.
Okay. Are you a gamer?
Not really.
A little bit.
Little bit. What game do you play?
We play FIFA.
FIFA.
Yes.
Do you ever saw a PlayStation 5? Actual PlayStation 5?
We don't have a PlayStation 5. We have a PlayStation 4.
You have a PlayStation 4?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So I'm a YouTuber from Kurdistan. Do you know Kurdistan?
Yes.
Okay, I do a video for a YouTube channel. I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions if you have time.
Okay.
Okay. So number one question: which game do you play? You answered it, but she did not. So I'm gonna ask her.
Ach so, was spielst du für ein Spiel?
FIFA.
You're playing FIFA too.
We all play FIFA. We both.
You
together.
both play. Okay. You guys play FIFA a lot. So second question: how much PS5 cost in Germany? If you guys know.
500.
500.
I don't know.
Okay. Another question: your mom or your dad, they ever play games, or are they
not
just too old for that?
Too old. Yes.
Too old.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you guys ever play Minecraft? Or
Yes. I have Minecraft at home.
you have?
Yes.
That's good. You guys from Germany, right?
Yes.
Germany. So there's a lot of Kurdish people in Germany.
Yes.
What do you think of Kurdish people? How they look like or how they behave in your country? Can you have any insight about them?
I don't have contact with Kurdish people.
You have?
So,
You
no,
don't have?
No,
You
not
don't have?
really.
Okay. Some of them are cool, like me. Some of them are very, very cool, and they talk friendly. They eat healthy. Some of them are gorgeous girls. Some of them have a handsome man. But sometimes they do stupid things.
Okay.
Do you, in your school or college, I don't know where you study,
Yeah.
do you ever interact with a Kurdish people?
I don't think so, oder? Nicht, oder? No, I don't think so.
In my country, from Kurdistan, I'm from Kurdistan, we think Germans are very, very cool.
Really?
Yeah, we admire them.
Nice.
Yeah, we think that Germany is a beautiful country. They have beautiful girls, handsome men.
Thank you.
Yeah, we think that a lot. But I do not know what you think, guys, of us.
We don't have contact with Kurdish people, so I don't know.
Okay. What's your name?
Mara.
Mara.
Yes.
Okay. And you?
Maya.
Maya.
Yes.
Do you guys watch Dark on Netflix?
Yes.
Ah, ja, das kenne ich sogar auch. Okay.
Dark. It's a very, very, very good TV series. أنا جماعة شباش بون عندك سي خوش معك الباس يوم كوازن زيري دار چیان بینی و ياخدنا.
Ruda, samaj ko będziesz miał? Ja. Samaj ko będziesz miał?
Hey,
Ja?
how are you?
Was geht?
Where are you from?
Kannst du Deutsch? Kannst du Deutsch?
Kannst du Deutsch?
Ja.
Where is that?
Can you speak English? Deutsch.
I can only speak English and Kurdish.
Ach so. Was geht? Kannst du
Yeah, I'm Kurdish. From Kurdistan. I'm a YouTuber. I do not understand what you're saying, man.
What are you doing? YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
PlayStation 5.
That's PlayStation 5. You guys have it? You have it?
Yes.
You have PlayStation 5?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
But demo. PlayStation 5 demo.
So,
I have PlayStation 5 demo.
demo. What is demo?
No original.
Ah, copy.
Yes.
Yes.
You mean copy?
Aber es ist 5.
So, you guys from where?
Wie?
Where you from?
I am from Macedonian.
Macedonia.
Yes.
Okay. So, how much PS5 in your country?
500 euro.
500 euro. That's $600.
Yes.
Yeah, dollars.
That's expensive for you? Or that's cheap?
Cheap.
Cheap. So why don't you go buy it? Why do you buy a copy or demo?
Or
It's
demo
cheap.
copy.
So I'm Kurdish. I'm from Kurdistan. Do you know Kurdistan?
Yes.
So what do you think of Kurdistan? Do you ever saw a video or what how do you know Kurdistan? From YouTube?
Yeah.
Do you ever saw a Kurdish people?
I have in Germany Kurdish friends.
Oh, you have Kurdish friend.
Yes.
So you are my friend too.
Okay, no problem. 1 minute.
Oh, tschüss. Schnell bitte.
Hey, how are you?
What?
How are you?
I want a PS5. I want a PS5. No.
You want PS5?
Yes.
Come get it.
Oh my god. Oh, you Hurensohn. Where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan. I'm Kurdish.
Kannst du Deutsch?
Kurdish. Kurdistan. Do you
Can you
ever?
speak German? Sprich Deutsch, wenn du kein Hurensohn
I
bist.
can Kurdish. I can Kurdish. Speak.
You can speak Kurdish?
Yeah, a little bit.
Which word? Come on, speak Kurdish. Which word?
يا منحرة.
That's Arabic.
Oh, wait.
Okay, you give me the
Anter.
PS5.
What is Anter?
Anter?
Anter.
Anter.
Yeah.
You mean Anter? It's like a mafia.
Anter is a mafia.
Anter is a mafia, yeah.
I'm from Ramo.
You're from Ramel.
Yeah. You know Ramo?
I kann Deutsch.
I just heard of it from internet.
I'm from Ramo, yeah, Zelemi.
Kerzi.
Ich habe dir ein Kompliment gegeben. Hi.
Hey, how are you guys?
We're fine. How about you?
I'm fine too. So, you're from Germany?
Yes.
You can speak English, right?
A little bit.
A little bit? Okay, I'm a little bit too. So, I'm Kurdish. I'm Kurdish from Kurdistan. Do you know Kurdistan?
Yes.
Okay. So, what do you think of people from Kurdistan? They're friendly or what are they?
Friendly. Like everyone.
Really? Do you have ever talked to Kurdish people before in real life?
Yes.
We have one in class.
You
Yes.
have one in class.
Yes.
He or he?
She.
She. Do you know of her name? Her name?
Also, Melike.
Malika.
Yeah.
It means princess.
Cute.
Yeah. We Kurdish people, we like our name, so it has to be meaning. So what do you guys' name are?
My name is Kim.
And my name is Emily.
Emily.
Yes.
That's a cool name. Kim?
Yes.
It's a short from something or just Kim?
No, just Kim.
Just Kim.
Du fühlst dich richtig cool mit deinem
PlayStation 5! Hey!
Das ist die PS5! Wow.
How are you?
I kill in Among Us.
Oh, you're killing in Among Us. You're an imposter.
Yeah. No, I'm dead. I'm dead.
So, my name is Jir. I'm a YouTuber from Kurdistan. Do you know Kurdistan?
Yes.
That's my YouTube channel. You can check it out. I play games.
I check it. Yes.
Screenshot it and check it out.
Swiped. Hello.
Hey, how are you?
Oh, I can speak English.
You can speak English?
A little bit. A little bit.
Little bit. Okay, no problem. So you're from Germany?
She's not good
What?
English.
You are from Germany?
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Tatiana.
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 Tatiana. No, Tatiana, nicht Tatiana.
Tatiana. Right?
Tatiana.
Tatiana.
Hello.
Hello.
Where are you from?
کوردستان. Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
You're from Iraq. أي مدينة؟
الأنبار.
أنبار.
هيت.
أنبار.
إيه هيت.
أنبار.
هيت. إيه.
إيه. هل شاهدت بلاي ستيشن 5؟
نعم أريد.
يريد بلاي ستيشن 5؟ هلو.
يوتيوبر
يوتيوبر.
كردش
كردش.
ايش اسم قناتك؟
جير. ZHEER.
Oh my god.
يوتيوبر.
هاي.
انت يوتيوبر؟
أنا يوتيوبر.
ايش قد عندك مشتركين؟ هلو.
Hey.
والله كم.
Yeah, that's PlayStation 5. Yes.
What's your name?
جير. ZHEER. My YouTube channel.
Oh.
يوتيوب. قول الله.
Hey.
لا. What's your name?
جير.
انت يوتيوبر؟
Yes, أنا يوتيوبر. Hey.
هلا شلونك؟
شلون صحتك؟ أخي لك كتير. أسطر أخوي. والله هرب استنى أخوي. بلاي ستيشن 5. تعودكو.
شو
خارس. كنت بهستي لأخوي. هستاي لأخوي؟ لا ترسي أخو. لا ترسي. عيب أخوي اللي قتيا. والساعات حفتي. عيبني.
ديري لايف بخير.
عمل لايف نيمة بزور ريكورد على يوتيوب. حزدي خد بينيو.
كاي يوتيوب ده شنو خير؟
يوتيوب كم أنا يوتيوب يا خارة أنا جير خارة. جير ZHEER.
بلاي ستيشن 5 دلو داشتم.
أو بلاي ستيشن 5 بسعي لخاتي تكم زام شي هيتي. هيت تتو؟
لا.
أتونيتت. داي. دعائك إن شاء الله بابا درينير من دبلو ذكري. هاتشي أوليري.
لا ولا قشطبان.
قشطبي. ريزمان هي.